Rizal Pangasinan, which is the University of Pangasinan. We have one in University of in Iloilo, University of Iloilo. Tapos Cagayan de Oro, I was part of it 3 years ago. And then we also have one in Laguna, Rizal College and Union College. So NCR naman sa network din. So St. Jude Manila, St. Jude QC, which is in 18th Avenue, and then the itong Advena na under Aurora. So we're a group of schools. So currently we are around 150 students in a totality of a network. We still, ang business model po namin is to acquire property, make it a school, or be both school, ganyan po. So, ayun yung business model. And our business model, our market is the lowest. So, we deliberately tap talaga the low income market. Yan po talaga. We don't tap to middle income or high market. Yun po talaga yung tina-target namin because that's our mission.
So how does it work? Is it like parang kayo lang yung nagmamanage or sa inyo talaga yung school per se?
Yes po. Kami nag-manage and bought nyo yan ng FINMA. Majority of the shares sa FINMA po yan. Kami na rin yung nag-manage. Lahat from the top management to the faculty, to the staff of the school, yan. Except yung mga janitors and guards. That's the third part. Pero kami po yan.
So like St. Jude, nakatayo na yung St. Jude, right?
Yes.
Tapos in-acquire nyo na lang?
Yes. Year 2017, I think. In Manila. We bought the St. Jude College in Manila 2017, December. And then followed, after 2 years, we bought the Republican College. Now it is called as Quezon City, FINMA St. Jude College, Quezon City. We replaced the name kasi we planned to make it as a network, as under FINMA St. Jude College.
So magiging FINMA St. Jude na siya?
Yes, FINMA St. Jude College. QC Education.
Tapos ito po, Asian College po ba?
No, we will not use the Asian College. That's FINMA St. Jude.
Dati yung yun dati.
Yun yung dati.
That's the street.
So both ma'am, siya, private and
Semi-private.
No, it's all private.
All private.
So far ma'am, ilan na nga yung school na hawak niyo?
7. Wait lang Cagayan de Oro, Iloilo, Southwestern, Laguna. Sa Laguna, we have 2. In dito, halos magti-3 na. Tapos, University of Pangasinan, and then around iba kasi may mga branches din po kasi.
Oo nga, ilan yung plan niyo po na buuin? Like, buong Pilipinas, dapat yung branches?
We plan to have school kung meron market for low income. Magkakaroon po ng school yan. Yan yung vision namin. In fact, we envision to have 1 million users in the next 10 to 15 years.
Then you mentioned kanina ma'am, so tinatayap nyo rin siya with the government for the scholarship?
Yes. Opo. Kasi yun talaga dapat yung partner. Kasi nagpo-provide sila ng scholarship, diba? So, sa amin na pwede sa amin yung scholarship. Kasi we have also scholarship. So parang maganda po kung magta-tie up talaga yung government and our school.
So yung St. Jude College sa Manila, sa inyo rin?
Yes, ma'am.
Dati nag-o-offer din ba ng nursing dito sa Aurora po?
We will. Right now po, we're applying for permit for nursing and medtech, medical technology. Kasi we just, parang kaka-lift lang ng moratorium for nursing. Kasi di ba, hindi yan basta-basta pwede ng school. So, now po na na-lift yung moratorium ng nursing, we will apply. So in fact, submission talaga today, deadline of submission. So that come next year, 25-26, makapag-offer na kami ng nursing and medtech.
Ma'am, curious question. Kasi nakita ko kanina, you have mga LGBTQ students. So ano yung stand ng FINMA education with that and for yung diversity na
Yes.
then are you also allowing mga professor to dress up for that?
Yes.
Paano lang?
We're diverse po kami. Actually, in fact, yung student namin, if they want to wear uniform na pang female uniform, we allow that. Ang premise lang po, if they choose to wear that uniform as a female, it has to be consistent po. Hindi pwede yung, gusto
Okay.
ko male ngayon, and then female ako tomorrow. So, yung paano po yun nila. And then they also need to follow rules then na para hindi siya yung hindi naman yung tipo magpe-perform. Para kung ano po yung uniform nila, if they want to female, they can do that. Even yung sa aming employees, they can also wear that. It has to be, what do you call this? Maayos lang. Yan.
When you say maayos, even the makeup and the hair?
Opo,
Conservative.
conservative pa rin na but we allowed. So yun. In fact, naging na po yan naging viral kami at some point siya na meron kami student na talaga kanya. Tapos we allow them to come to
Why so, ma'am? Why the need to have a diverse
That's what we believe in. Lahat po talaga welcome yan sa amin. Welcome yan sa amin.
Lahat ng school, ganun.
Yes, lahat ng school ng FIMA. Yun lang po. Lahat ng school ng FIMA. We allow that.
So far po ma'am, dito sa bago niyong branch na to, ano po yung mga ino-offer dito sa...
Diyan po, we offer senior high school. I think we will offer ABM and news. And then, actually, kung ano po yung meron kaming program sa 18th Avenue, education, criminology, and then management, business administration. Pwede po rin yan sa araw na para walang limitation.
May mga bago po bang courses na in-offer?
Same muna from the 18th Avenue. So, as I mentioned kanina, yung application lang namin ng nursing and medtech, baka po, ano pa yun, next school year. So, kung ano po yung meron kami sa 18th Avenue,
Same
po
din.
yung meron sa Aurora. So, we hope to have more incoming students. And in fact, under renovation po yung building. Yun yung pag bumibili kami ng school sa Pisa, usually yung mga buildings na nabibili talaga namin are talagang kailangan na i-renovate. So, road po namin sa Pisa na talagang pagpasok namin, we plan, not necessarily lahat 100%. Kasi we have to still manage naman our funds, our resources, kung gaano kami ka-ready. But as much as we can, dapat po talaga lahat ng, dapat gamitin ng estudyante, ready. May classrooms, laboratories, yan po yung pinaprioritize natin.
Ma'am, correct. I-record ko lang. Ano yung main goals and sabihin na natin advocacy ng PINMA education?
Our mission
Wait.
is our mission is to make the lives better through education of our students. We deliberately market, we deliberately tap low-income families. Kasi our jobs to be done, ayan pala si Judge, makakatulong sa akin. Yun po yung goal talaga namin is to make the lives better of our through education of our students. And our market is to tap and reserve the low income. Yun po talaga yung goal talaga namin, to help the family of the low income to strive and make their lives better. Okay, at Dean Judge is our dean for the college.